In today's video, I'm going to teach you 4 ways ChatGPT can improve your everyday life. First, let's talk about smarter productivity and time management. ChatGPT helps you organize daily schedules and task lists by turning a messy to-do list into a clear plan. Share your appointments, deadlines, and priorities, and ask for a realistic schedule with buffer time. If a project feels overwhelming, it breaks complex work into smaller, manageable steps, so you always know what to do next. It can also automate planning, generate quick summaries of notes or meetings, and support fast decision-making by outlining options, pros and cons, and likely trade-offs. The result is less time spent on routine organization and a faster, more focused workflow. A simple tip: include time estimates and constraints when you ask, so it can prioritize more effectively. Next is faster learning and skill development. If a topic is confusing, ChatGPT explains difficult ideas in simple terms and can offer different explanations until one clicks. Ask for a structured learning path for any subject, with milestones and practice tasks paced for your availability. It supports homework, research, and exam preparation by clarifying concepts, suggesting study plans, and flagging key themes to review. To deepen understanding, it generates practice questions and even walks through detailed solutions. For better retention, request analogies, real-world examples, and short recap summaries at the end of each study session. Third, better communication and writing support. Whether it's an email, a message, or a formal document, ChatGPT improves clarity, tone, and professionalism. Paste your draft and ask for a rewrite that's concise, friendly, or authoritative, whatever suits the audience. It corrects grammar and strengthens sentence structure without losing your voice, and it can adapt to different formats, helping with resumes, reports, and presentations. Provide context like purpose, audience, and desired length to get a polished result faster, and ask for a version with tracked changes or side-by-side comparisons to learn as you edit. Finally, creativity and everyday problem solving. ChatGPT generates ideas for content, projects, and business concepts, offering variations so you can compare and refine. It helps brainstorm solutions to daily challenges, from planning a simple event to mapping out a weekend project, by proposing practical steps and potential pitfalls to watch for. It supports creative writing and planning tasks with outlines, prompts, and character or theme suggestions, acting as an on-demand ideation and thinking assistant. Set constraints like budget, time, or style to guide the brainstorming toward realistic options. Use these 4 approaches to turn ChatGPT into a daily accelerator, and remember to avoid sharing sensitive personal information when you do.